Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome to the channel. It's Monday, and welcome to one more live trading video. And as you always know, on Mondays I do live trading. I do live trading recording for you guys to see how we trade real as professional traders. Most of you guys need to master real live trading experience. Just learning technical analysis on the charts itself is different, and when you're also trading live, it's also different because doing technical analysis, we make it very simple and very interesting for you to see. But when it's live trading, you see different variations of the same setups. That's why I decided to dedicate Mondays to be able to do live tradings, live recording for you all to see here on YouTube. So if you're here for today, then welcome to the channel. Welcome to the live trading session where I'm going to trade live, record my trades for you to see the setups I take. You keep the setups in your mind so that when you're also trading, you do the same thing. Keep the setup in your mind. You see the way I trade, how I analyze the market, and whatever comment I'm going to make, you keep all in your mind so that when you're also trading, you're able to practice the same experience and become a profitable trader. So if you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button and like the video. Or if you're my old subscriber, you're my mentee, you are somebody who have been coming here already, then just hit the like button and just put my video through. But if you're a new guy who is here watching for the first time, my channel is very small, it needs to grow. So please kindly hit the subscribe button and let's move on to today's live streaming video. Okay, so it's time to open my charts every morning. When I wake up, the first I have to do is to open my charts. And in forex, it doesn't matter the session you're trading. You can trade the Europe session, you can trade the Asian session, you can trade the US session. Okay, right now it's in the morning. I just woke up in my local time. It's in the morning, so I'm trading. So I have to open my chart. So wait for me a while. Let me open my MT5 chart and let's begin. Okay, just wait for me 1 second. Okay, so as you can see, I open my charts across my screens. You don't need plenty screens like this to trade. You can use one screen or two, or maybe just your laptop to trade, but don't trade with your phone, guys. Don't trade with your phone. Trade with your systems or your laptop. Okay, so let's see today what we have for today. The first thing I will do is to check the currency meter to see what we have on the currency meter. Okay, so on the currency meter today, as you see, I always trade the currency meter, right? So on the currency meter today, as you can see, highlighting from the H4, we have NZD to be strong, and we have JPY, which is the Japanese yen, to be weak. We also have the AUD to also be strong, and we have the CAD to also be weak. So if you want to find a perfectly trending market or the market which is in the mood to trend, then we can match the strongest with the weakest, which is the NZD and the JPY, or AUD with the JPY. So if you're able to find this kind of pairs, then it's going to make your trading very easy and very interesting because the market will already be in the mood to trend. Okay, the currency meter does not tell you when to buy or when to sell, but it tells you the mood the market is in, the phase the market is in, the market ready to trend or the market ready to range, so that you also apply your strategies using the same principle. So let's see. So we see NZD is strong and then JPY is weak. So I'll open my chart. I'll open file, new chart, and then I'll open my NZD JPY. So as you can see, it's black. So I have to insert my templates. I have to insert my templates for it to look, as I trade every day, for it to look white. So my templates, good. And I have to go to M1, but you can see that on the H1, we are on H1 now. You can see on H1, the market has been trending for some time, right? Over the past 3 weeks, the market has been trending upwards. So we must also be in the mood to also trend, okay? For the past, 3 weeks, the market has been trending. So now on M1, what can you see? Let me zoom it out. So let me zoom it out. We are on M1 now. Okay. So what can we see? That's the first thing you have to ask yourself. What do you see when you open your chart? What do you see? So the first thing we can see is we can see support zone here. Can you see, guys? You must ask yourself, what do you see? You can see support zone here. Support zone here. Good. Support zone here. And yes, so perfect support zone. Can you see? Perfect support zone. So what else do we see now? I'm going to wait for the market to come and hit here, and then when the market is able to hit this support zone, then I'll ride the market up because the market is already in the phase to trend. Can you see the market is already trending? So wait for the market to come and hit the support zone, and then I'll just ride the market up. Very simple. Okay, very simple. So that's a very perfect support. Can you see if I can adjust this here? Good. So you can see that the support zone runs from all the way here to where we are going to take the trade. So I'll just wait for the market to come, and as you can see, the market is already going into power move. You can see retrace. Market made another power move and retrace. Now we have another power move. So now it's time for us to also buy at the next power move. So the next retracement, I'm going to wait for the market to retrace to this zone. Can you see? So I'm going to put my buy orders. Let me enter here. The maximum I can buy for this pair is 2.0. So I'm going to put my buy orders here. Pull it. Okay, good. Very good. And one more. Okay, I'm putting 3 buy orders because this particular pair, it gives me just 2.0. So I have to put 3 buy orders so that it will match my risk reward ratio. Okay, but I want to risk around $300 of my account, so I have to put 3 buy orders before you can reach $300. Because of the pair, it gives me only 2.0 to trade. So now I've entered 3 trades. I want to be making around 1,300 or 1,200. So that's I've entered 3 trades. So now what we can do is to wait for the market to come and hit my entry, and then we are in. After we are in, then I will set my stop loss and my take profit target. Let me play this, guys. Okay, so the market will just come back, hit here, and then whilst we are in, you ride the market up successfully. Very simple chart. Can you see? Simple and clean. Always make sure the chart is simple and clean. Okay, simple and clean. So very simple and clean. So we just have to wait for the market to come in, take me in. Let's wait for the market to just come, take me in, and then we check our stop loss and our take profit target. But for the meantime, I also want to go and check the AUD with the JPY to see if you can also find a setup. So in case maybe this one does not give you as a setup, you also be able to trade the AUD JPY. So let me check again. So on the current trends, what can we see again? The AUD is strong, right? And the JPY is weak, which means this market will be in a multi-trend. So let me go and open AUD JPY. So file, new chart, and AUD JPY. Okay, so now black chart. So I have to insert my template, simple TT. And as you can see on M1, what can we see? It looks a little similar, right? But they are all trending. So let me zoom it out. Okay, I can see that this market is trending down on the M1. The market is in a multi-trend. So when I zoom it out, this is what I can see. I can see some trending line here. Can you see? If I put some trend line here, the market will be trending, and it has hit here, hit here, hit there. Can you see if I zoom it out? So the market has already hit, but let's make more analysis with this. Okay, so what is happening here, guys? What is happening here? We can see the market made, see, very good support zone here. Can you see? Good. So the market can either come here and hit the support zone and go down, or just hit the trend line and go down. Either of them that will give you a confirmation pattern. I'll just take it. But we can see clearly that the market made a power move down. See, power move down. Now retrace to the up, right? Retraced, and let me adjust this one. Let me adjust this one. Another power move down. Let me adjust this one. Another power move down. So now the next power move up is what we are going to sell. Okay, we're going to sell on the next retracement. So we are waiting for the market to come and hit the trend line again, and then we sell. So either of them that will give me the trade, I will just take it. Either the NZD JPY or the AUD JPY, any of them, That gives me a trade. I'm just going to enter my trade and sell it. Okay, so I'll wait. Can you see perfectly? Chart clean, guys, clean chart. Can you see? Clean chart with analysis. I'm going to put my buy limit order here and put my buy limit order here. So in case it comes and I'm not watching, so that it will just trigger me in. So buy limit order here. Okay, so let's wait for it to come back again. You see it's going down, guys. Can you see? We're a little late, so you see it's going down. So let's keep waiting, guys. Either this one logs us in, or the NZD JPY will also log us in. So let's just keep waiting. Oh, guys, I think we are in on the NZD JPY. We are in, so let me set my stop loss quickly. Okay, so stop loss. Let me finish out. Yes, stop loss and take profit target. Take profit target. Okay, good. One more. Very good. So you can see I'm risking about 60 points, which is 57 points, right? It is 50 points, so I must get twice of that, which is 120 points, right? So let me get my stop loss. Good. And one more. I entered 3, right? I entered 3. So as you can see, this one has already triggered me in, so I have to go to the AUD pair and now take my orders out, because they can't all trigger me in. I can't let all of them trigger me in, so I have to go to the AUD pair and just remove my order. Okay, remove my order, because this one has already logged me in, so I'm not going to trade the AUD now. Okay, guys, are you listening? Are you getting the technique? If this one logs you in, you don't have to still be taking this one. Don't go above the amount of trade you're supposed to take within a day. So I'll go to the AUD pair and just remove my orders. Okay, so let me delete my orders. Okay, delete. One more. Delete. Okay, so that's it. You are free for this one. You are free. And here is where I would have taken the trade, but it has not logged me in. The other one has logged me in, so let me just go and focus on the AUD pair. The NVD pair, guys. I'm focused on the NVD pair. So we are in some profit, guys. As you can see, the market is now favor now a little. Let's keep waiting. Okay, so let me enter. We entered 3 trade, right? So let me enter my stop loss manually for this order entry. So okay, let me copy and paste here. Good. And yes, stop loss 150 points. Take profit targets. Okay, it's there. It's here. So let me drag it and add it to this one. So now we have 3 entries set. Everything set for our 3 entries. Okay, guys, are you watching me? Okay, so as you can see, everything is set. Let me adjust this one too, so that we have 3 stop loss too. So now everything is set, and all what you can do is to wait for the market to either hit our stop loss or hit our take profit target. Like this one. Let me do small adjustment here, guys. Let me do some small adjustment here to fit my profit target criteria. So now what I'll do is to pause the recording up and come back later. I have to pause it and come back later so that the recording will speed up. Okay, so let me pause it and come back later. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I think We are almost at take profit target. Can you see? The market has moved in our favor. We are in profits, and the market is already hitting our take profit target. So can you see? We are almost hitting take profit targets. Very clean chart and simple, guys. Trading very simple. Okay. So I think we are almost out. Let's see. But let me just explain something to you. Guys, anytime you are trading, make sure that you make your chart very clean. You always see that my charts are always clean, very clean every time. When I'm trading, you don't see a very complicated chart, or you don't see plenty indicators, whatever. No, your chart must always be clean and simple. That is what makes trading very simple. If you complicate your trading, you're going to mess everything up. Make your chart clean and simple. Before you look for any trade, make sure that you have the setups you're looking for in your mind, guys. You don't open the chart now that you'll be searching for, hey, where is the entry? Hey, where is it? We don't do that. Whatever you are searching for on the chart must be in your mind. So when you make you open your chart, you're looking for this and that and that. Or you ask yourself, what is there? What is here? Okay, I can see this, I can see that, I can see this. Then you use that one to analyze your chart and you take your trade. Don't make your trading complicated, okay? Don't make it trading complicated. If not, you're going to just mess everything up. Trading is very simple. Just profit made within a short period of time, minutes. So within 1 hour, I'll just make my profit. But scalping is very hard. I don't advise you do scalping. I advise that you trade on H1 or M15, guys, or list M5. I do the scalping so that I'll be able to report for you guys to see. You cannot do the scalping. The scalping is very hard, okay? It's very fast and you cannot analyze the trade faster. Moreover, the trends, you need more experience to be able to analyze the M1 chart, the 1 minute chart. You need more experience to be able to analyze it. But when you're trading on H1 and M15, it's very cool, a little calm and a little slow, and take your time to make more analysis. So M1 is for experts. I've been training for a long time, so I know what I'm doing. If you're a beginner and you're watching me, don't trade on M1. M1 is more for experts. Trade on M15 or M5 or H1. The same strategies, the same setup. When you open H1, so that you get a very clean chart and then you trade. When you open M15, you get a very clean chart and then you trade. Don't complicate your trading. So I think that will be all for this video. If you enjoyed the video so far, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Every time you come here, come and watch such videos here for live trading. I think we are taking long this towards your mentor, and I'm signing out.